birthday to these members of the PBS 39 Explorer Club.
I hear it's your birthday today. Let's celebrate and shout out loud. Blow the candles with all you've got and wish upon a shining star. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
If you're interested in enrolling your child in the Explorer Club, call 260-484-8839 or visit WFWA.org. The Explorer Club is sponsored in part by Tokens and Tickets.
You're watching PBS 39 Kids, WFWA Fort Wayne.
Hi, it's me, Hooper. Can you guess where I am today?
Where is he going? What will he do? Where in the world is Hooper?
Let me give you a clue. You can find seeds here, but it's not the inside of a watermelon. Here's another hint. This place has delicious vegetables.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, northern Blackford County in east central Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Van Buren, Oregon, 9 miles north of Hartford City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. The storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Montpelier around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Keystone, Dillon, Roll, Mount Zion, Conedo, McNabbs, and Wellsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford and Wells,